Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ankita Chattopadhyay. I'm working as a senior resident in the Department of Psychiatry at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. On the occasion of World Health Day 2021, I would like to spread a few messages regarding mental illness and their treatment. So globally, it has been seen that mental illness contributes to a significant amount of the global burden of diseases, and that the patients who are suffering from mental illness have a large amount of distress or dysfunction in their lives. But it is very saddening and disheartening to see that patients who are suffering from mental illness usually do not access treatment, and even if they do so, they come at a very later stage when treatment process becomes complicated or the outcomes are not as good as we would expect them to be. So in countries like India, studies have shown that about more than 80% of the patients who are suffering from mental illness, they do not access treatment. So one of the reasons of this is the stigma which is associated with mental illness and the patients who are suffering from the same. So because of this stigma, the people, they usually do not come up with their mental illness symptoms, and that actually delays the treatment and worsens the outcome of the same. Also, people have this misconceptions about the treatment for mental illness. Mostly people think that treatment for mental illness are continued lifelong, and once the patients are started on any treatment, the treatment continues for a very long amount of time, and that the patients become dependent on the same. But this is a very wrong perception on the part of the people. It is absolutely not true. All we need to understand is that mental illness can be of various kinds, and most of them, if they are brought early to us, they are treatable, and the medications are continued only till the time they are required. But of course, some illnesses tend to be chronic, and for them the treatment continues for a longer period of time, like any other illness like diabetes or hypertension, in which also we need to continue the treatment for a longer period of time so that the symptoms can be kept at control. So it is highly recommended that people come up with their mental illness and seek help from mental health professionals at the earliest, so that the long-term complications can be prevented and this treatment can be started very soon. So on this occasion of World Health Day, I would like to request you all to please acknowledge that yes, mental illness can occur to anyone and everyone around us. Be empathetic towards the patients who are suffering from mental illness, and encourage them to seek treatment as early as possible so that they can also live a healthy life ahead of them. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we continue to take the precautions for the current pandemic that is going on at the same time. Thank you.